Welcome. So, as always, I have a curiosity about a topic called corporate job or corporate sector. This topic made me very curious about I many times see and listen people about corporate culture, and the life is very boring in corporate culture and very disturbing, very busy. So I wondered what are the works or what kind of work people do in corporate job. What is the meaning of corporate job basically? I i just know that corporate job is related to service related job or service sector job, like in banking sector or service sector, any kind of service. But I didn't have complete understanding yet, so I am going to learn about corporate job or corporate culture, and you can always learn along with me. So I am going to start. A corporate job refers to a position within a large business organization or corporation, typically structured with formal hierarchies, process and management systems. These jobs can be found in sectors like finance, yeah, technology, marketing, human resources, operation, and more. Corporate jobs often involve working for established companies with a focus on business growth, profitability, profitability, and long-term sustainability. Yeah. So, what are the key characteristics of corporate job? First is hierarchy and structure. So, what is it? Corporations often have a well defined chain of command with roles like junior employees, managers, directors, and executives. Employees report to supervisor or managers. Okay. And what about specialization? Corporate jobs are typically specialized where employees focus on specific function, example marketing, accounting, product development, these kind of things. Set work hours. Most corporate jobs operate on a 9 to 5 schedule. Yeah, we many times listen 9 to 5 job. So this comes from this. Through work hours may extend based on deadlines or company expectations. Okay. Performance reviews. Employees are usually evaluated regularly based on their performance, often tied to bonuses, promotions, or pay raises. Okay. Professional development. Many corporations invest in employee training, certification, and skill development to enhance employee capabilities. Corporate culture. Yeah, that's the important point. Corporate culture refers to the shared values, attitudes, behaviors, and beliefs that shape how employees interact and work together in a corporate environment. It often reflects the company's mission and business goals. Elements of corporate culture. So, what are the elements? Work environment. This includes the physical workspace, whether open or closed office layouts, and the overall feel, formal or casual. Dress code. Many corporate environments have a formal dress code, though some companies embrace a more relaxed casual approach. Example, tech startups. Okay. Communication. Corporate usually have formal communication channels like emails, meetings, and reports. Yeah, I have aware about that people used to communicate via email only, not WhatsApp or any kind of social media app. They only communicate via emails and report. The level of transparency and openness varies by company. Okay. Teamwork versus individualism. In some corporate culture, teamwork and collaboration are highly valued, while others may encourage individual initiative and competition. Okay. So it is not rigid, it can be deferred as per the company's need and value system or goals. Again, fifth point is work life balance. This varies across corporation with some promoting flexible hours or remote work, and others expecting employees to work long hours. Yeah, recently I heard about 60 hours, I think, yeah, 60 hours work a week. By this statements comes from Sudha Murthy, which is a great business personality and currently Rajya Sabha member. Though, so the sixth is corporate values. These are often articulated in a company's mission statement, such as a focus on customer service, innovation, integrity, and sustainability. So we have to speed up to cover within a lesser time. Corporate sector. So what is mean by corporate sector? Corporate sector consists of businesses that are organized as corporations. These companies typically aim to maximize profit for shareholder and may be publicly traded or privately held. Okay. Corporation can range from small privately owned companies to massive multinational enterprises. Yeah. Characteristics of the corporate sector. Profit driven. Corporations operate to generate profit and often have shareholders who own equity in the business. Legal entity. A corporation is a distinct legal entity separate from its owner. This limits the liability of owners, shareholders for the company's debts. Market focused corporations. Market focused, yeah. Corporations frequently compete in local, national, or global markets and must adapt to consumer demands, regulations, and economic conditions. Sector specified. Corporation can exist in a variety of sectors such as technology, finance, healthcare, manufacturing, and retail. Yeah, corporate work environment. We many times listen about work environment or corporate sector. So deadline and targets. Corporate employees often work under strict deadlines and are responsible for meeting specific targets. Example, sales numbers, project timelines. The numbers is the center here. Team dynamics. Most projects require teamwork, cross functional collaboration, and regular interactions with other departments. Opportunities for growth. Employees may have opportunities for career advancement through promotions, leadership development programs, and mentorship. Benefit of corporate jobs. Job security. Large corporations often offer more stability and benefits. Example, health insurance, retirement plan, com- compared to smaller businesses or startups. Professional development. Many corporations invest in the development of their employees through training, certification programs, and leadership opportunities. Networking. Employees in corporate environment have the opportunity to build a large professional network which can aid in career growth. Okay. Challenges of corporate jobs. Work pressure, high expectations, deadlines, and performance reviews can create stressful work environment. Yeah, that's right. And this is the currently a very uh, hot issue or hot topic, like an employee of a company is suffered from an accident or she died due to a work pressure, a very work pressure. So this is the current scenario or situation. Then limited flexibility. Many corporate jobs may not offer flexible work arrangements, and there could be where we reach, we skip some slides. Yeah, many corporate jobs may not offer flexible work arrangements and could be long working hours depending on the role. Office politics. Large companies sometimes have complex internal dynamics which can lead to office politics, or competitive behavior. Now, let's dive deeper into several key aspects of corporate jobs, corporate culture, and corporate work environment. Corporate jobs, types, and roles. Corporate jobs span across various departments, and each role contributes to the company's overall business goals. Here are some common categories of corporate jobs. Administration handles daily operations including scheduling, document management, and coordination between departments. Common roles including office managers and executive assistants. Human resource management, human resources, HRs, manages employee relations, recruitment, payrolls, training, relations, okay, and compliances with labor laws. HR professionals ensure a healthy workplace environment. Finance and accounting oversees financial transaction budgeting, tax planning, audits, and financial reporting. Roles include accounts, fina- financial analysts, and controllers. Marketing and sales focuses on promoting the company's products or services, marketing, market research, sales strategies, and consumer engagement. Roles include marketing managers, sales representatives, and product managers. Information technology (IT) ensures the smooth operation of technical infrastructure, cybersecurity, software development, and database management. Common roles include IT support specialist, software developers, and system administrators. Operations and logistics manages the supply chain, production process, and delivery of goods or services to customer. Roles include operation managers and supply chain coordinators. Customer support ensures customer satisfaction by resolving queries, handling complaints, and providing product or service information. Legal ensures compliance with laws and regulations, draft contracts, and manages legal risks. Common roles include corporate lawyers and legal analysts. Corporate culture, a deeper look. Corporate culture can be complex and varies between companies. It influences employees' behavior, performance, and overall job satisfaction. Let's break it down further. Values and mission. Corporate vision and mission. Companies often define their vision and mission statements, which provide a sense of direction. Employees are expected to align their work with these long term goals. For example, Google's mission is to organize the world's information and make it universally accessible and useful. Yeah. Core values. Corporations often establish values like integrity, customer focus, innovation, teamwork, and responsibility, which guide employees' behavior. Workplace communication. Top down communication. Corporate environment tend to have a top down communication structure where decisions come from senior management and trickle down through the hierarchy. Collaborative platforms. To streamline internal communication, many corporations use platforms like Microsoft Teams, Slack, or internal messaging systems for quick interactions. Open door policy. Some corporations promote transparency through an open door policy, allowing employees to approach managers freely with concerns or suggestions. Diversity and inclusion. Modern corporations often prioritize diversity and inclusion, ensuring employees from different backgrounds, cultures, genders, and experiences are represented and have equal opportunities. Diversity initiatives. Many companies run diversity and sensitivity training and actively hire individuals from underrepresented groups. Inclusive culture. Some companies work hard to create a sense of belonging by celebrating different cultures and fostering inclusive practices. Employee engagement. Corporations focus heavily on employee engagement to maintain productivity and morale. Some methods include team building activities. Corporations often organize retreats, workshops, and events to strengthen relationships among employees. Recognitions programs. Employees may be recognized with awards, bonuses, or promotion based on performance. Employees of the month is a typical example of this. Work life balance in corporate culture. This is very important. Work life balance is a major concern for many employees working in the corporate sector. Although some companies are moving towards more flexible work and arrangements, the balance can vary depending on the organization. Flexible working hours. Some companies allow flexible hours or remote work options, especially after COVID-19 pandemic. Long hours and overwork. In more traditional corporate settings, employees might face long working hours, especially in industries like finance, consulting, or law. Employees wellness programs. Employee wellness program, EWP. To address stress and burnouts, some corporations offer wellness programs including gym membership, meditation workshops, and mental health support. Corporate politics. Office politics refers to the relationship and power dynamics within a company. Navigating office politics can be challenging for employees but is often a necessary part of advancing in a corporate environment. Poor dynamics. Individuals in higher position can influence decisions, promotions, and opportunities. Building good relationships with decision makers is important. Networking and alliance. In corporate settings, building alliances and networking with colleagues, managers, and external partners is key to success. Competition. In some companies, employees compete with one another for promotions, bonuses, or recognition. This competitive atmosphere can sometimes lead to conflicts or underhanded tactics. Professional growth and development. Corporate jobs usually provide significant opportunities for career development and advancements. However, the path to growth is often defined by performance metrics, networking, and personal initiatives. Training programs. Corporations invest in the professional development of their employees through training workshops, certification, and mentorship programs. Performance reviews. Employees are typically subject to regular performance reviews where their work is evaluated against specific goals. These reviews may impact promotions and salary raises. Career ladder. Many corporations have a well defined career path for employees with clear steps towards moving up within the company. Example, junior to senior manager, director to VP, vice president. Challenges in corporate job. While corporate job often offer stability and benefits, they also come with their share of challenges. Workspace stress. Okay, so we are learning about corporate challenges. Workspace stress, high performance expectation, deadlines, and meeting targets can lead to significant workplace stress. Monotony and bureaucracy. Corporate environments can sometimes feel bureaucratic, where employees might struggle with slow decision making and rigid structures. Burnout. The corporate culture of always on can lead to burnout, especially in highly demanding industries. Limited creativity. In large corporation, job roles can become specialized and there may be limited room for creativity or innovation for employees in certain roles. Corporate benefit and perks. One of the biggest advantage of corporate job is the variety of benefit and perks offered by the large companies. Health insurance. Most corporations offer comprehensive health plan and for employees and their families. Retirement plans. Many companies contribute to retirement saving plans like 401k in the US or Provident Funds (PF). Bonuses. Employees often receive performance based bonuses, especially in industries like finance, sales, or IT. Paid time off. Corporation usually offer paid leave, vacation, sick leave, and some even offer paid paternal leave. Global and multinational corporation. Some companies operate on a global scale with branches or subsidiaries in multiple countries. Working in a multinational corporation comes with its unique aspects. Cultural diversity. Employees work Employees may work with colleagues from different cultural background, often requiring cultural sensitivity and language skills. Travel opportunities. Employees in multinational corporation may have opportunities to travel for work, including international assignments. Global perspective. These companies may have global strategies adapting to local markets while maintaining a unified corporate mission. Corporate social responsibility (CSR). Many corporations today engage in corporate social responsibility (CSR), which refers to companies' effort to make a positive impact on society. This could include environmental sustainability, reducing carbon footprint, and engaging in sustainable sourcing and supporting environmental causes. Social impact: initiating programs that support local communities, promote education, or provide disaster relief. Ethical practices: ensuring fair trade, ethical labor practices, and respect for human rights in the company's operation. So now conclusion. A corporate jobs offer a structured work environment, opportunities for growth and a range of benefits, but may also come with challenges like stress, workplace politics and pressure to meet targets. The corporate cultures varies significantly across companies, with each organization creating its own unique environment based on its values, mission and goals. So, this is about corporate job or corporate culture or corporate sector. So, this is all from this video, and we learn about corporate culture, what are the challenges, and what could be the examples. So, we will need meet in another video with another topic. So, bye bye.